Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Messenger on your Facebook business page. This is essential for managing all your customer communications in one place, making it easier to respond to inquiries and build stronger relationships with your audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page, which is typically listed under your shortcuts section. This will take you directly to your business page management area. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, turn your attention to the left navigation menu again. Here, you'll need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. This is Facebook's central hub for managing all aspects of your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for managing your business communications and content. On the left navigation menu, look for the Inbox option and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your messaging channels and see different apps you can integrate with your Meta Business Suite messaging system. Here's the good news. Facebook Messenger is already set up by default and connected directly to your Facebook business messages. This means you can start receiving and responding to messages from your Facebook page right away without any additional configuration. Your customers can reach out to you through Messenger, and all those conversations will appear in this unified inbox. Now, if you want to expand your communication channels even further, you have some excellent options. Look for the Instagram tab in this section. Click on it and you'll see a Connect Instagram button. Clicking this will allow you to link your Instagram account to the same inbox so you can manage both Facebook and Instagram messages from one central location. This integration is incredibly useful for businesses that maintain an active presence on both platforms. Additionally, you can also add WhatsApp to your messaging suite. Click on the WhatsApp tab and you'll see a Get Started button. Click on it and a phone number field will appear. This is where you'll need to enter your business phone number to verify ownership and connect WhatsApp to your Meta Business Suite Messenger. This multi-channel approach ensures you never miss a customer message, regardless of which platform they prefer to use. And that's it. You now have Facebook Messenger set up on your business page with the option to integrate Instagram and WhatsApp for complete communication coverage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.